Assalamu alaikum, adab, good evening to all. Today I am going to speak upon how to protect SC/ST funds, lands, LRS, BRS from KCR. Telangana government is doing undemocratic policies by removing powers of VRO, Tahsildar, collector, which was very beneficial for the farmers. In 2013, SC/ST had got the act and now they amended it in 2017 and are diverting the total amount of money to projects by which the treasury of Telangana is becoming empty. KCR has eaten lot of money from Kaleshwaram project. His son KTR has eaten lot of money from Mission Bhagirath project, and his son-in-law Harish Rao has eaten lot of money from Mission Kakatiya project. Now to fulfill the treasury which is getting empty, they are implementing Land Regularization Act, for which they are collecting 75% of the registration rate, that is rupees 3,000 per square yard, which is illegal, for which the Gram Panchayat had already given the permission to build the house. Municipal has given the permission to build the house. Electricity department has given them the electric meters. Municipality has given them the water pipeline, for which they are paying the regular dues. And now how come these things can be irregularized? When Rajshekhar ji was CM, he has brought this scheme that in a very minimum amount, those can pay for regularization of their houses. But now he is collecting more than the land value, which is not good. It is illegal. Almost all people have suffered from the past 6 months because of this COVID pandemic. There has been no income to the people. And on this, KCRG is putting a heavy burden on the people. Thus, I appeal to the nation to please react on the undemocratic policy, public policy taken by K. Chandrasekhar Rao, as it is going to bring the heavy load of burden on the people of Telangana. Now, each and every one has to react on this and act on this. As you all know, our country is an agriculture-based country. After the independence, Indira ji became the Prime Minister of India. And that time she had given 3 acres of land to the poor people. And now, in 2014 manifesto, KCRG stated that he would give 3 acres of land to the Dalit. But instead of giving land, he is pulling the lands of the poor farmers without paying them any compensation or implementing 2013 Land Acquisition Act. Thank you.